I all praise be to God. இன்னைக்கு என் மீட்பர் உயிரோடு இருக்கையிலே enakkenna kuraivunndu அப்படிங்கிற பாட்டு பார்ப்போம். It's in the C major scale. So straight away let's go to the both hands together. So C major எப்படி வருதுன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா beat goes like this. That's how the song both hands right hand melody will எப்படி வருதுன்னு சொல்றேன். So ஒரு octave less பண்ணிக்குவோம். So the song range வந்து இங்க தான் வருது, maximum C to C குள்ள தான் வருது. G and F. See, G A C. Saranam. Goes like this, okay? So the stanza third line with it. See, B flat, it has the B flat note, which is unusual for the C major scale. So இங்க வந்து goes like this, okay? So the beat chords. C major, C major, C major, C major, E minor also put it. This is optional, E minor. Otherwise, you can continue with the C major. Then it goes C major also. G fourth, G. All right, then go to the C major, A minor, E minor. goes to the first. C major, A minor, E minor, F major, C major, A minor, F major, C major, E minor, again C major, C major, then G fourth, then alright, so it goes like this. So the beat what I used is pop and rock family. You can choose cool shuffle. So the beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tempo is around 86, 85, that range. So even it's a Carnatic song, so we can play with tabla beat also. But still, this is kind of a remix type like. So I bless you all in the name of Jesus Christ. So if anybody watching this video without subscribing, without give like or comment, I request you to do so. God bless you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.